Now the kitchen section. Under the sink there is a storage provided. The color is white and chocolate brown. You see, it's actually chocolate brown color, dark brown. So there is a under the sink storage, and then we have provided profiles here. So the handles are all profile handles, you can see. And under the sink there is a acrylic. This is the acrylic 100% waterproof acrylic sheets provided for storage. 2 racks under the sink, 2 shelves are provided there. And coming to the next section, this is under the sink. This is the bottle unit, where you have bottle storage baskets. Then comes your tandem box, 2 tandem box, and then followed by 3 tandem box again. So these are heavy duty, which can take up to 40 kgs, and all are soft closure, so it closes softly, it doesn't bang. So same thing with this, up to 40 kgs tandem box, and all soft closures. These are 3 again tandem box. 3 different size for storage. And this is a corner storage which goes till the end, so you have complete space to provided for all the storage part. Coming to overhead, we have 2 hydraulic openings. Then we have a corner storage which is flap doors. So you have doors which open up like this. You can foldable doors completely. So you can basically keep storage here again. And when you want to close it, you can just, it opens up in 2 ways and again. And then you have hydraulic opening again here, which is hydraulic opening, 2 hydraulic openings. Two hydraulic openings. Same way, the other 2 also hydraulic openings. So you have a combination of corner unit and 2 and 2 and 2, 6 hydraulic overhead unit. And the base platform is combination of white and brown.